Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday, and we've got our first snow covering. I was able to pick up a rebuilt engine for my car from a local salvage yard for $3,750. With tax and the core charge, it came out to like $4,200. It got delivered at my buddy Kyle's place the same day. My friend John Persinski from It's All Junk Automotive, I will put a link in the description to his YouTube channel, is meeting up with me this morning to pick my car up from the dealership on his trailer and take it over to Kyle's place where we're gonna swap engines. Alright, I just got to the dealership, just met with John. Of course, he had to bring up how I always used to give him shit for his junky Volkswagen back in college. First thing he says to me is, "You notice how there isn't a Volkswagen on the back of this trailer?" Hardy har har. So I'm gonna run in, pay for Subaru's inspection, get the key to my car, drive it around, load it up on the trailer with John, and then we'll head back to Kyle's place. And the roads, super slippery today. Go figure. It's 2020 though, what do you expect? Things can only get worse, right? Holy cats, it's cold out. Alright, we got the Subaru up on John's trailer. Not without some challenges, of course, being that the car is so low. But I'm gonna follow him out to Kyle's place, make sure we don't lose the car somewhere in the ditch. And I'll probably film us unloading it over there. Good times. That's what you should have, John. Come on, man, step your game up. You win, John.
Go subscribe to my channel. My Volkswagen has probably triple the miles you have, and mine still drives. So
yeah. European garbage for the win.
Yep, that's what happens.
I don't know what just happened, but I was transferring over a whole bunch of video footage I got from the other day of Kyle and I tearing the engine down and pulling it out of the car. And after the transfer from the SD card to the hard drive of the computer was complete, I deleted the files off the SD card, and I went back into the file on the hard drive, and only half of the videos were on there. Learned my lesson. Don't delete anything until you confirm everything is there. But I lost all that footage. So I got a few clips on my cell phone that I put on Snapchat, so I'll include those in the video that you're about to see. But I lost all that good time-lapse footage of us tearing the engine out. Wonderful.
Like that.
Nice work, Kyle. This is the engine that Kyle and I are throwing in the car. This is my engine. We have to transfer a whole bunch of parts from there to there. And there's my empty engine bay.
Morning,
Kyle. You know it's about 17 degrees out here?
Yeah. It's fucking cold.
Thank you, Luke, for getting my tires mounted and balanced. Got those bad boys on this morning. Let's see where Kyle's at with the engine. Looks like he's got the intake on. Man, actually it looks like he's got everything on. Now it's just a matter of hooking up the air oil separator hoses and connecting the electrical. You made some good progress, man.
Yep.
Killer. You look good in a Subaru. You want to buy it?
Been there, done that.
She sounds good.
Yeah.
Damn, Kyle. Nice work. If you have a Subaru, don't bring it to Kyle, though. He's done with Subarus.
Anything else I'll work on.
Yeah, anything else. Alrighty, car's back in my garage. Kyle, thank you so much for helping me out, man. Like I told you, if I'm going to put money into this car, I'd rather pay a friend to do the work than give my money to the dealership and get ripped off. So I'm really impressed. When we turned that key over, we didn't have a single CEL. Everything sounded and looked great. Man, there were so many hoses and wires to reconnect. You did a great job, buddy. Thank you again. So yeah, next steps are getting this car traded in and then getting myself into a truck hopefully in the next week or so. If I learned anything from this process, it's that it's good to know people. It's good to have a lot of connections and friends. Treat everybody the way you'd want to be treated. Don't burn your bridges, because you never know when you might need someone's help.